Hey guys, I'm back again. Earlier I hiccuped again. This is the fourth time it happened. To be honest, every time it happened, well, and now this time, I'm extremely peed off about it. Like every time it happens to me, I just don't know what's wrong with it. I mean, I just don't expect to hiccup sometimes. I mean, one minute I'm more like minding my own business. The next minute I'm like kicking up like a frog, and it's not a good feeling after all. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.